to come out of the door while I'm standing there for some reason. Good girl. Okay, baby. Now. Hey. Jimbo, come on. What's up, baby? This boy in here, he's calm as a cucumber. Chill as a cucumber. Come on. Calm as a cucumber, is that a saying? If so, you heard it here first. Trademarked. Calm as a cucumber. Come on, babies. Gotta make our potty breaks. I will go ahead and just set you up right out here. We watch all the madness. So that actually was not bad. Not bad at all. So this is a little temporary pen I've built here for the new dogs. So the first couple days they were barking quite a bit at the pigs, and they didn't quite know what to do with the chickens or anything. So this has really helped to acclimate them to all the animals and the new surroundings, etc. I've got to get a bunch of wood chips in here today. The ground is looking much better though. So this is Maple. She's what's called a coney. Some people also pronounce it kuni. There's a few different pronunciations for it, but essentially they are a New Zealand grass grazing pig. She's super friendly, except when it's food time. She doesn't like these dogs up here around her, which I totally understand. Kuni-kunis are primarily raised for lard, charcuterie, specialty meats typically. They actually put on a lot of fat from just grazing grass. Come on, buddy, get out of here. Leave her alone. I've actually found somebody that has a grass grazing large black pig. The breed is actually called large black. So he's gonna let me breed her, and we'll see what we can come up with the genetics between the two of them. The large blacks are primarily they don't have very much fat. They're primarily a meat pig, so it could be interesting to see what the two genetics end up putting out. A little update on Maple here. She'll be spending a month on another farm here pretty soon. So I ended up buying these two really nice stainless steel food bowls, but they don't like the reflection or something of them. They're kind of scared, so while they're still getting acclimated and used to the farm, they seem to like these ice cream buckets. What I've been trying to do here lately is make sure I scatter a lot of the chicken feed over heavy areas of pig manure. You can see the pigs here are scratching and breaking up the manure and hoping to scatter it. It was very concentrated in here for a little while. This was the traffic way for Maple to come out of her little pen there that was for the winter. Here before long I'll be making more of a mobile shelter, and that's what the poly strands will be for. We'll start making smaller paddocks and start rotating her, getting her used to the system. That's gonna do it for this morning's little feeding routine. Catch you back here when we're stretching some more fence.